Hello everyone, welcome to your double pigeon to hip key tutorial. I'm very excited to share this. If you don't know how to do a hip key, I'm attaching the link in the description for my hip key tutorial. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have a strong aerial practice before you try any of this, and always practice with safety. Thank you. Enjoy. Going into a hip key drill, everyone, open both your legs in a straddle, keeping the fabric at your sacrum. Bring your right hand to the left side of the fabric and left leg goes to the right side. Your left arm remains next to your ears. Try to keep your torso up and your obliques active. That is the main motto of this exercise. Come back to a straddle. Now your left hand comes towards the right side and the right leg goes towards the left side. Right arm next to your ears. Keeping the elbow straight, torso up, very important, and obliques active. Then come back to a straddle and pull up your torso and try to keep the torso up and the abdomen very active. Do that for a few breaths and then slowly come out of it. We start the double pigeon series by standing inside the hammock. Take your right leg up, everyone, and extend it completely straight in front. You're going to take it out and around the fabric. Very important, slide the foot up, push it away and bring your entire weight onto the left side of the fabric. The fabric is supporting your left hip. From there, contract, expand 2 times, contract, expand. Keep the top elbow straight, everyone. Fabric is supporting you in your back. Now you're going to slide your hip down to get the fabric on your lower back. You can grab your ankle as a variation. The fabric again is completely supporting you. Lean back and clip your left leg onto the fabric behind the knee and then come up into a double pigeon. Keep the elbow straight, you can lean back. Try the variation of a complete full split as well if you want to. And then come back to prepare for a hip key, everyone. Slide your hands up, pull up the fabric and straighten your legs at the same time. You're going to release your right leg, bring the fabric right under your hip bone for a clean hip key. As you slide your right hand, you're going to start coming down into a hip key, coming down. Now contract and expand, still keeping your torso active, everyone. To come out of it, just bring your body outside from the gap and take your time to just release the left leg from the fabric to come out of it. Good job, everyone. Very important, everyone, will be the positioning of your foot. You want the arch to press the fabric away and simultaneously take your left leg off the fabric and bring your entire weight on the left side. The fabric is supporting you near your hip. That is very crucial. For the preparation of the double pigeon, very important is the pull-up, turning of the right hip, the right toe facing the sky, and then getting the fabric to support your lower back completely. If the glutes are not out, you will not have the support to lean back and clip. So keep your glutes pushed out, then lean back with your torso, clip the leg, get the fabric behind the knee, push the pelvis up to come into a clean double pigeon, and then let the pelvis come down. Now to come into the hip key, you pull up with your hands and straighten your legs and close them simultaneously. It's a together motion. Keep your left hand's grip very strong, then release the right foot by bending it and coming into a hip key, fabric under your hip bone. Now as the right hand will slide down, you're going to start coming down the fabric. Very important, torso remains up and legs remain super active. And then you come down. Keep your entire body active. Don't let your torso flop down. From there, you can try the variation of bending your knees and then straightening as well. Thanks for watching, everyone.